Hello friends, in this video we talk about the best freelancer websites. Number 1, Fiverr. Freelancing type: digital marketing, web development, social media, prospectus, diverse category, free registration and online courses. Cons: high commission charges, long payment process. Fiverr is a platform that connect freelancers with business owners looking for services in various digital projects, including website design, content writing, and voiceovers. This freelance website provide a streamlined method for both freelancers and business owners to interact with one another. Note that on the website, freelancers are called sellers, their services called gigs, and business owners buyers. Instead of sending out bids, sellers can sign up for free, list their gigs, and set their prices. Meanwhile, buyers can simply browse through different categories to purchase. Whenever a buyer charges a gig, a system automatically charges their account and they put the money on hold. The system will then take a commission fee and send freelancer 80% of the prices. Depending on each freelancer's seller level, it can take up 14 days withdraw their earnings. There are multiple options to withdraw the payment, such as a debit card, PayPal, and wire transfer. Fiverr opens up a world of potential sales with 3.42 million active buyers. There are no hourly rate, just project based pricing that you get to decide. Sellers are guaranteed protected payment with an SSL certificate that protects billing and personal information, as well as around the clock customer support, always ready to help. Thanks for watching. Please stay with us.